How cute.
My desk has been in this state a little longer than I'd like to admit, so just taking some time today to clean it and get it sorted out. At the grocery store lately, I've been seeing cookies and cream flavored things, and that's something I actually try out, all the different types, and I wanted to know if you guys wanted to see a video on those.
We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways. But your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week. Again. But I don't wanna think what's toxic.
Day, if I don't take the tolls, it'll take us an hour and 15 minutes versus 47 minutes.
That's not that deep. We can sing. We can sing.
I'm impatient. I don't know what you're talking about.
We started the day very much mid-afternoon. It was a quaint store with, yes, a Christmas tree in the middle in full view in the midst of spring. But I adored it, as well as these sweet bears and sweet treats and just the warmth of the whole place.
I've been trying to stay afloat. I've been falling every time I try to grow. I don't know. Yeah. I should keep it on the low, or if it's better trying to get up on my toes. I'm just trying to see the light that's on the other side of the tunnel. Yeah. I just want to see the prize, but when I open eyes, seeing nothing. No. I've been trying to stay afloat. I've been falling every time I try to grow. I don't know.
I don't know, maybe it's all the movies I've seen, but every time I see Dice in the Mirror, I automatically think of going into the city, whether it be New York or London or something like that. Some adventure automatically waits because it's a new beginning of some sort. And although we were in quite a bit of traffic, I was ready to see something new.
Shy, it's their first time out here, so.
So sweet. Are you still open? We close at 5. They're pretty. It's bigger. Like this big one. What?
That's the end of today's vlog. I really hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you thought about it in the comments, or kind of any suggestions that you might have, to leave those down below, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you. Bye.